My name is Melon and I'm from grade 3. Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you my favorite animals in nature. It is a dolphin. Do you know that dolphin can live anywhere in the world in different environments? Yeah, that's exciting, isn't it? Also, dolphin can hold their breath much longer than human can underwater. That's so cool. Also, lastly, the largest type of dolphin is the orca. Also, orca eat shark. Bye.
Hello, my name is Taya. My presentation is about starfish. Starfish are also known as sea star. Sea star are the most beautiful animal in the West Ocean. There are 2,000 different types of starfish around the world. For example, little starfish, pink sea star. Pink sea star is my favorite one because my favorite color is pink, and it's the heaviest sea star in the world. Sunflower sea star. Sunflower sea star is the biggest sea star in the world. Crown of thorn. Crown of thorn has spines so it could protect the predators that's eating it. Royal sea star. Royal sea star swallow the whole entire food. Cushion sea star. Cushion sea star is soft as a pillow. And there are more special things about starfish. Starfish don't have brain or blood. Starfish walks with 1,000 feet. Starfish could grow back their body because it has special species inside their body. Thank you everyone for listening to my presentation.
My name is Frankie33. Today I'm going to talk about why Pluto is not a planet anymore. So Pluto is not a planet because it did not meet the three criteria that IAU used to define the full size of the planet. And this is why Pluto is not a planet. Essentially, Pluto meets all the criteria except one. It did not clear the neighboring regions that other planet clears. Thank you for watching.